So great that you have completed the day one of the pre-Brainathon 3-day game plan. If you have not done the day one, please do it because every step leads to success. It is not just like you can leap onto the top in just one step. It is not at all possible. So every single step has a meaning into it, and we are just preparing ourselves to for the biggest milestones. So for us to climb a mountain, we have to start small. So every single step along the journey, along the way, is equivalently important to reach the top of the mountain. So today we are in the day two, and day two, I'm going to share a powerful exercise which you can continue to do with your child, even if you're not part of HPU. Okay, whether you are already a member of HPU, whether you are planning to join HPU, whether you're not at all joining HPU, I don't mind. But as a mother, as a father watching this video, if one thing I want you to do throughout your life, that is this one thing. Okay, whether you do anything else or not, please do this. Even if you're not buying any toys, even if you're not buying any activities, you're not doing any activities with your child, you're not able to spend a lot of time with your child, you're a working mother, you're going out and spending a lot of time outside of your family, and you don't have any time to spend with your child, even at that time, if you can do only this, then it's going to be a big game changer, because this has the power to rewire your child's subconscious mind, rewire your own subconscious mind, and program your child's subconscious mind as well. Okay, two things first before we get into the process. First thing is that I want you to watch this video without skipping any content. Okay, watch the full video. Number two is that I want you to share the action work in the comments here, write down in the comments. Okay, as I told you earlier in the previous video, when you are putting it out, then you're committing. Your commitment is more. Okay, so make sure you are putting it here, and then you can go to the WhatsApp group and say done, so that you are inspiring other people can also go, and you're pushing other people also to go and check it out, right? So I hope you guys are very clear about this. So what is day two is all about? We call this as positive affirmations. So, what can affirmations do to your mind? Affirmations can simply program the brain, the belief system. There is an amazing quote which I love, which is like, your voice becomes your child's inner voice. Sorry, your words become your child's inner voice. So, whatever words that you're speaking to your child, or speaking about your child to other people, whatever the child is hearing about themselves from you becomes their inner voice. So, if you keep saying that my child is very hyper, my child is very shy, my child doesn't share, my child doesn't play, these are the things that is becoming the child's inner voice, and the child starts to believe in themselves that, okay, I'm shy, I don't play with other people, I don't share things, I don't eat this vegetable. So everything is programmed based on what you are talking to them and what you are talking about them. So there are two ways how we are communicating about a child and to our child. The way how you talk to your child, and the way how you are talking about your child to other people. So these matters a lot. So how you can actually create that self-image for the child, how you can create that inner voice for the child, how you can program your child's brain with the qualities that they would love to grow up with, is by just using the words through positive affirmations. So today I want you to go to your child, give them a big hug, say how proud you feel to have them, and say out some of the positive affirmations to them, which are the qualities you want to build you want to program in them, all those words. Say for example, we always say you're strong, you're brave, you're bold, you're friendly, you're kind, you're gentle. All of these words I talk to my child. And also, if your child is too young, like a newborn or an infant who is not yet who is not able to verbally communicate, then you can do it all by yourself. You keep telling the words of affirmations to the child, and let the child only listen. Okay, but if your child is able to verbally communicate, where your child can reply back to you or repeat whatever you're saying, then ask them to repeat the words like, I am strong, I am bold. Likewise. So I'll tell you two examples here, just a model, so that you can do it easier. So when my daughter was a very small baby, infant, very young toddler, what I used to do is I use her name in front of every positive affirmation. So I will say like Shradhu is a very strong girl, Shradhu is a bold girl, Shradhu is a gentle girl. Likewise. After that, after 2 years, then after she turned 2 years, what I do is I ask her to repeat along with me. I'll say, I am strong. Then she will also repeat with me saying, I am strong. I am brave. I am brave. I'm intelligent. Likewise, we used to say it with I am, where the child is saying I am, right? And also, you can make it more fun. I love to eat fruits and vegetables. I am strong. I am brave. Likewise, you can also make some amazing, the have a lot of fun during the process. So this is, you wouldn't believe the impact of this. I'll tell you, when my daughter was having sports, she was going to a sports class, and she was very, very scared in the beginning. And but just by rekindling the positive affirmations, I don't, Shradhu is a very strong girl. Say, I'm strong. So she was saying, I'm strong. She say, I am brave. She started to little bit get that energy, like I am brave. Likewise, her energy started a bit, because every night before we go to sleep, this is what we do. I am strong, I'm brave. Yeah. So the same thing, she was able to bring that out. She was able to apply it during the real time setting. So I think this is very important for all of us. So once you're done with the positive affirmations, I want you to share in the comments what are the positive affirmation statements that you have used with your child today. You don't have to change it every day. You can have a set of positive affirmations which you keep repeating on a daily basis. So we have some 6 to 7 positive affirmations which we will keep on talking in daily basis. So I'm also going to give you a link below in the description, where I will be giving you 50 different positive affirmations for you, a positive affirmations guide for you. You can use that if you want. Okay, so suppose if you want to know how do I frame my positive affirmations, and I'm going to give you 50 positive affirmations in the description below. So go check it out, download it and use it. Any 5 statements you can use. You don't have to use all the 50 statements. You can use any 5 statements, and share with me in the comments what are the 5 statements that you have used. And then I will know that what are the things that all the parents are using. Yeah. It's also going to help other people. So tomorrow is day 3, okay? And day after tomorrow is our actual Brainathon starting, which is only accessible for our Holistic Parenting Universe community members. Okay. So if you are not yet part of the Holistic Parenting Universe, then I want you to take this as an opportunity to come and, unleash your child's potential, because every single mother and father out there just started just like you, without knowing what is in there. Will I be able to do this? Lot of doubts, lot of self-doubts, lot of feeling of guilt and all of overwhelmingness and all of that. But once they begin their journey in HPU, their life started to change. I don't have to tell much about it. I'll also link my Trustpilot reviews, where you can see the experience what our parents in HPU are seeing. So you can also check it out. And what I'm going to do for you on day 3, I want this day 3 to be like a big blast. Okay. The ultimate thing. So in previous Brainathon, especially in the season 8, one of the things which works very, very amazing for every single mother, every single father in the Holistic Parenting Universe is sleep talk. So many people had shared how sleep talk has helped them in potty training within the Brainathon. Within 6 weeks, they finished potty training. Just after they started sleep talk, they were able to see potty training. They were able to see a lot of changes in the child's behavior, a lot of changes in the child's toddler tantrums had reduced. The biting of the child used to bite all the time, and once after they use sleep talk, the very next day the biting has completely stopped, and many children has started eating vegetables, fruits through sleep talk. And there are so many miracles that has happened with this sleep talk. And this sleep talk, I never teach this outside, because this has to be done in a particular way. And I don't know if people would take this seriously, if people would really do it as per the rules. Okay, there is a particular format, particular way of how you do the sleep talk. So I really don't I don't really teach this to outside because people may not be effectively using it. And if you're not properly using it, I do not know how. But when you do it properly, when you're doing it as per the guidance that I'm giving you, you can unlock n number of miracles. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to post day 3 just like this recorded video, but I'm going to do this in a live webinar. Okay. Only for the sleep talk, I'm going to teach only you guys who are in the WhatsApp. Even this is not going to go out on my Instagram as well. Only for you people who are in this WhatsApp, who have watched this video till this point, only you will get to know this. The filtered audience, if you come live for tomorrow at 10:30 a.m., I'm going to conduct a live. It's going to be just a 1 hour live where I will teach you the sleep talk. And also, I will be giving you an opportunity to join the HPU Silver membership with a special offer and a special gift, which is only applicable tomorrow. Okay, so make sure that you are completing this and look forward for the game-changing sleep talk, which I'm going to teach you tomorrow. And I'm sure that this is going to serve a lot of parents in many different areas. So be there. It's only live. There will be no recording available because sleep talk is only for my students. This is the first ever time I'm sharing this outside only for this filtered community, because I feel that if you are still here, it means that you have respected day 1, you have done day 1, day 2, you are done, then you are all ready for sleep talk. If I'm going and teaching the sleep talk to a parent who's just there out, who doesn't know what is intention, who doesn't know what is positive affirmation, if I'm directly going and teaching them sleep talk to them, there is no use. So people has to go through that journey to get into the step-by-step process. I think when you are doing the intention work, when you are doing the positive affirmation work, only then you're eligible for the sleep talk. And I'm going to give you only in live. Okay. There's no way out that you can watch a recording. Please don't tell me that I have office, I have this, I have that. If you feel that this is something that is important to you, that is important for your child, then you will definitely find a way. That is what I believe. And if you want to do something, you will find a way. That is what I operate with. I want all my HPU parents, all my miracle parents also to operate with that. So there'll be no recording for this. But of course, when you join the silver membership, you will get to learn that again inside the membership. So you will be able to learn it there. But here for free, I'm going to teach you, but only for the filter audience. Yeah. So comment below the positive affirmations and I'll see you guys tomorrow live. Bye-bye. More miracles to you.